Take time to review the full standard for Learning Designer using resources from ISTE and Fairfax County. Note that the standard includes 3 components. The analysis by Fairfax County organizes these components into literacies coaches may possess to demonstrate competency in the standard. Consider how the standard impacts the SBIT's role and grounds their work in the development of effective learning environments, both physical and digital. Whether you are currently an SBITS or are considering becoming one, consider how you can help others leverage technology to support effective online and blended learning, and not just learning within a physical classroom. Take stock of how you engage with others in and beyond your building around assessment and accessibility relative to digital learning environments. Consider whether there are additional opportunities to do so that you'd like to explore. Download the accompanying companion document and use it to create your own goals for this module. What you need to know or be able to do to successfully meet your goals. Consider reasonable action steps to help you meet your goals. Determine how you'll know whether you have successfully met your goal or not. The following section introduces resources and some suggested activities you can use as a learning designer, supporting online and blended learning, assessment for learning, and digital learning environments. You may want to review these before finalizing your goals. You don't need to review all the resources or complete all the suggested activities. You determine which resources will help you reach your goals to be successful. This includes resources not listed here.